Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are unraveling the mystery behind something truly amazing, smart contracts. Don't worry, we are going to break it down in a way that's super easy to understand. Let's jump right in. What are smart contracts? Okay, imagine you and a friend have a deal. You both agree that if certain conditions are met, something should happen, like your friend lending you their favorite book. Well, a smart contract is like that, but digital and super clever. It's a self-executing digital agreement that only does its thing when the conditions you've set are met. How smart contracts work? So, how do these magical contracts work? Imagine it's your birthday, and you've set up a smart contract to send a "Happy Birthday" message to your friend at midnight. As soon as the clock strikes 12, the contract sees the condition, your birthday, is met and boom. It sends the message automatically. No fuss, no human action needed. Real-life examples: smart contracts aren't just in a magical realm, they're making a splash in the real world too. Imagine you're buying a house. Once you pay, the smart contract transfers ownership to you automatically. Even big companies use them to track products along the supply chain and make sure things are legit. Banks? Yup, they're using smart contracts to streamline stuff too. Benefits made simple. Why should you care about these smart thingamajigs? Well, they're like your digital helpers. They make things faster and cheaper by cutting out middlemen. Plus, they're as reliable as a cat napping in the sun. They do exactly what they're programmed to, no funny business. I have an exclusive opportunity for you. Uncover a government-registered work-from-home program that allows you to work just 1-2 hours daily while receiving weekly payments. Imagine the flexibility and financial potential. To know more and connect with us for any queries, follow us on Instagram, link is in the bio. Challenges, but don't worry now, are smart contracts all sunshine and rainbows? Not quite. Sometimes, mistakes in the code can mess things up. And not all places accept them as official contracts yet. But hey, remember when you first learned to ride a bike? Challenges didn't stop you, right? It's the same deal here. Ethereum, smart contracts BFF. Guess what? There's a superstar platform called Ethereum that makes creating smart contracts easy peasy. It's like a playground for developers to create these magical agreements using a special language. And just like that, the world becomes a little more digital and a lot more efficient. Simple example time. Let's make it even simpler. Imagine you and your friend make a bet. If it rains tomorrow, your friend owes you ice cream. Using a smart contract, you both put some digital money in. If it rains, the contract gives you both a heads up and transfers the digital ice cream money to you. The exciting future. Hold on to your hats because the future's looking super cool. Smart contracts could help us do more than we ever thought possible. Imagine buying a car without a dealer or even voting without leaving your couch. These digital wizards might just change the way the world works. Before we wrap things up, here's some exciting news. If you're eager to dive deeper into the world of blockchain and other fascinating topics like digital marketing, financial mastery, and more, you're in for a treat. I've got an incredible e-learning platform where you can learn and connect with me on a whole new level. Unlock exclusive insights and stay in the loop. Join me on Instagram for a deeper dive into the latest trends and behind-the-scenes fun. Let's connect and level up together. Well, there you have it, smart contracts made simple. Now you are in on the secret. If you enjoyed this, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Let's keep exploring the amazing world of tech together. Catch you in the next video.